Plant FAQs, Philodendron Subincisum. Philodendron Subincisum, unveiling the velvet touch. Hi there, Furbu here, and today we're diving deep into the world of the Philodendron Subincisum, a captivating climber known for its velvety, heart-shaped leaves. This stunning plant has taken the houseplant world by storm, and for good reason. But before you rush out and snag one, let's explore some frequently asked questions to ensure it thrives under your care. See more 623 species in genus Philodendron at monsteraholic.com. What makes the Philodendron Subincisum special? This philodendron boasts heart-shaped leaves with a unique, velvety texture that feels incredible to the touch. The foliage unfurls in a vibrant, lime green, maturing to a deeper emerald with subtle, reddish veins. As the plant climbs, the leaves become larger and more lobed, creating a cascading effect that adds drama to any indoor space. Is the Philodendron Subincisum easy to care for? Absolutely. This philodendron is a dream for beginner plant parents. It thrives in bright, indirect sunlight and doesn't require constant coddling. Let the top inch of soil dry out between waterings to prevent root rot. How big does the Philodendron Subincisum get? In its natural habitat, the Philodendron Subincisum can reach staggering heights of 30 to 40 feet. However, indoors, it's much more manageable. With proper pruning, you can control its growth and keep it bushy or train it to climb a moss pole for a cascading effect. Tips for a thriving Philodendron Subincisum. Light. Provide bright, indirect sunlight. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, which can scorch the leaves. Watering. Water when the top inch of soil dries out. Overwatering is a common killer, so err on the side of underwatering. Humidity. Philodendrons appreciate moderate humidity. Grouping plants together or using a pebble tray filled with water can help increase humidity. Soil. A well-draining, airy potting mix is crucial. Aroids like philodendrons prefer a chunky mix with ingredients like orchid bark, perlite, and cocoa coir. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced fertilizer diluted to half strength can be applied monthly. Withhold fertilizer during winter. Troubleshooting common Philodendron Subincisum problems. Brown leaves. This can be caused by underwatering, overwatering, or sunburn. Check the watering schedule and adjust accordingly. Move the plant away from direct sunlight if necessary. Leggy growth. This indicates insufficient light. Move your Philodendron Subincisum to a brighter location. Pests. Mealybugs and spider mites can be occasional visitors. Regularly inspect your plant and treat them with neem oil or insecticidal soap if needed. Philodendron Subincisum versus Giganteum. Philodendron Subincisum stands out as a captivating ornamental due to its remarkable foliage, featuring glossy leaves with wavy edges that can extend beyond 1 meter in length. While reminiscent of the impressive Philodendron Giganteum, Subincisum distinguishes itself with its slightly smaller, undulating leaves. Moreover, it tends to branch and climb more actively. Notably, this variety is more adaptable, thriving in harsher conditions, including increased exposure to sunlight, wind, and drought. Philodendron Subincisum versus Philodendron Hederaceum, heartleaf philodendron. These two philodendrons share similar heart-shaped leaves, but there are key differences. The Philodendron Hederaceum has a glossier texture and a more compact growth habit. It also tolerates lower light conditions better than the Philodendron Subincisum. While both boast beautiful foliage, the Philodendron Brazil is known for its heart-shaped leaves with variegated patterns of green, yellow, and cream. It requires slightly brighter light than the Philodendron Subincisum to maintain its variegation. Conclusion. The Philodendron Subincisum is a captivating addition to any plant collection. With its velvety texture, lush foliage, and easygoing nature, it's a guaranteed conversation starter. So, provide it with the right care, and this stunning philodendron will reward you with years of vibrant growth and undeniable charm. Happy planting!